Hi guys, I'm Paul and welcome to another episode. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, you know just what to do. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. I keep forgetting.
Paul's POV.
If you haven't seen part 1, you can click on the card above and I'll leave a description in the link below. Today I'm going to be giving you my first what?
So I'm calling from the booth.
Is it recording? You have to tell me, no? Seriously.
What do you think I'm standing here to do?
I will be transitioning over to the QC microphones just about now. And this is just to give you a reference of how well we deal with
So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how my wife didn't see the scotch tape on my desk.
You kept it there, you bloody fool.
This is the Oppo. What the f are these?
Dead kitten, dead wombat, dead cat. Blimp. Dead cat BMP. Mini boom pole.
Future Paul, I'm sorry for the delays in edit.
The earbuds, however, do tend to feel a bit slippery. So when you're...
Dead wombat, dead cat, dead kitten, blimp. Dead cat BMP. Boom pole, mini boom pole, micro boom pole, bang.
So what is hi-fi? High fidelity is Jesus. The sound isn't restricted and resonating within your ear cup like in the closed bags. What did I explain? It's okay, babe. Nothing will happen, yeah? I know what I'm doing.
Do you?
Something burning?
You farted?
Is something burning? I'm asking you. Ask me about farting.
Like, let me get zen
No.
until then.
You don't need to be zen. You're not spoiling my earphones.
Why are you in a shit mood today, yeah?
I'm always in a shit mood.
I didn't even open up your earbuds and all, yeah? I'll open up the earbuds, then you'll know.
I'm sure you do.
You don't know that.
Stop slouching.
I'm not slouching. This is slouching.
Let me do that again.
Do it, not recording.
You're really irritating me today, dear.
What do you think you're doing?
What?
Recording.
Are you sure? No, I have to...
Recording.
Why? Who asked you to record?
What?
There's a USB-C charging slot, right? Slot. Damn irritating, dear, I
It's
swear.
recording.
Who asked you to record?
I said 1, 2, 3, go.
Why do you lie? I don't like lies.
I'm getting you to start. Come on, it's recording.
Why are you recording?
Slap you.
Who asked you to record?
Just now told me to record.
Yeah? I'm fine, I look sexy.
Oh, got a nasty itch.
Is taken care of by the environmental noise cancelling thanks to the multitude of microphones that these earbuds have.
Why was that so rushed?
I don't know. I ran out of breath. You get hi-fi sound and German build quality at a spit flew out. Okay, introduce yourself.
What is you so picky and do to yourself?
But where's mom's POV in the first place?
I'm looking at it.
But then why another episode?
And then you want photo credit.
Yeah, then. I'm the one who keeps you in check.
You should introduce it, no?
What, you want me to introduce you?
You say whatever you have to in the beginning, then you ask me questions. Why should I be talking?
That plays any genre.
Oh, I didn't say that only. See, I like it. I was testing you.
How will you test yourself now?
Maybe I should say it before I record, no?
That's what I've been telling you. But no, we won't listen to me.
These have helped some people and in... What the fuck?
Which song has such quick chord progressions?
Dude, can you use my phone? I can't use your phone.
Should I stop?
It's tuck, right? Or tack? I don't know because they never told me.
Bitch!
So I have a question.
That's what bitches do. They ignore you.
These are bear dynamics only authorized only online.
Director of photography.
These are bear dynamics only online.
Authorized dealer.
So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to click that click the bell icon for future notifications. I'm Paul, and thanks for tuning in to Paul's POV for some
Say it slowly, why are you rushing?
because everyone fucks off at this point. No.